Hi everyone, this is a quick review of the Vizio V-Series 2.0 compact soundbar. First, let's take a look at the build quality of this soundbar. Overall, I would say it's of a decent build quality given the price range. Of course, it's made of hard plastic, but it does have this nice texture to the surface. And it also has rounded corners. Overall, I would say it has this very understated style. It should sit very well with most of the home decor. Now let's take a look at the ports. It has the standard ports most of the soundbars usually have. So basically, it should meet all your daily use purpose. Of course, it also has the eARC port, which basically allows you to control your soundbar with your TV remote control. And this should make using this soundbar a lot easier and more convenient. Now let's have a listen to this soundbar. I'd strongly suggest you put on your earphones in order to hear the difference more clearly. Now you have listened to the difference between the soundbar and the internal speakers of the TV. I would say this soundbar does provide richer, fuller, and simply more pleasant sound. Of course, this soundbar is unlikely to be on the recommendation list of any audiophiles, but for an average consumer, I would say it gets the job done, and gets the job done very well.